What's going on, everybody, and welcome to CS5 Unmasked. And I have a question I want to ask you. Now, being as I just finished up my Freddy vs. Jason costume tutorial video, I've been really chomping at the bit to start a new one. And this is where I need you guys to come in. You guys need to tell me which Jason costume tutorial video you want to see next. For a long time, I've been wanting to do the pre-Uber Jason X costume, but I'm really curious about how the NES Retro Jason costume would actually look. And I've been getting a whole bunch of suggestions for the Mortal Kombat X Jason costume. Let me know down below which Jason costume tutorial you guys want me to do next. Either the pre-Uber Jason X, the Retro NES Jason, or the Mortal Kombat X Jason costume. Let me know down below. I'll let this video run for a few weeks, then I'll tally up all your suggestions, and then I'll let everybody know what you guys have decided. Alright everybody, until next time, this is CS5 signing out, and I hope to see you in the next video.